Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Before starting the video, if you have not subscribed our channel till now, then please subscribe it. And if you have not watched our previous videos, then watch it. In this video, we will see what is a custom event and how to create it. Spring Custom Event. Spring Application Context provides the functionality to support events and listeners in code. We can create beans that listen for events which are published through our application context. This is achieved via the application event publisher interface. There are a few simple guidelines to follow. The event should extend application event. The publisher should inject an application event publisher object. The listener should implement the application listener interface. For example, password changed event, like whenever password will change, email should trigger on registered mail lid. Let's implement. Let's copy this project and rename as custom event. Let's create a new package for the event. Let's create a new class under event package called user-defined event. As I said earlier, this class must extend application event class. Now it's asking for override something. As you can see, it override the constructor. Let's override string method and put some message. So now for this new event, we need a handler. Let's create a class called the user-defined event handler. This handler must implement application listener, and in generic we will use our user-defined event. If you remember, in the last video we saw start, stop, close and refresh event. Now we need to override on application event method provided by application listener. This time we are just putting a simple message. We created event and event handler. Now we need to create a publisher. Let's create a new package for the publisher. Let's create a new class called user-defined event publisher. So this publisher class must implement application event publisher aware. Now need to override method provided by application event publisher aware. So the method is set application event publisher. Now in this class, we will create variable for application event publisher. Now put this one in the overridden method. Let's create our own publish method, so this method will publish this user-defined event. Now let's create an object for user-defined event and pass publisher object. And publish this user-defined event using application event publisher class. That's it for this class. Now let's create a bean for the user-defined event handler. And one more bean for user-defined event publisher. That's it for this XML. Let's publish this user-defined event from the main method. Let's run and see it's working fine or not. See it's working fine. Let's add some more messages so we'll come to know the flow. Let's run again. See, all messages are coming properly. You can observe the output. Let's review whatever we added. I hope this video will help you to remember how to create a custom event in Spring. I hope you like this video, then please subscribe our channel.